excited to be here, and you know, it's all about saving our planet. It's all about making this world so much better. You might be able to hear it later.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So you can answer here.
Okay. Hi. Can you hear me now? All right.
So loud kar dena, loud.
So I do believe that, you know, Earth Day and planting trees and all these different things, you know, we celebrate it on one day, but what I love is we're going to be planting trees every single day up until the 5th of June. And I think every single day we should do something for our environment. We only have one Earth, and if we destroy it, then, you know, I think that's a horrible, horrible thing. And we should recycle, we should plant trees, we should take care of our Earth just like we take care of ourselves. I was so excited. I don't know if I have much of a green thumb, but I do love gardening. I do love planting flowers, and the first time I'm planting a tree, so I'm very excited. And it was really easy to say yes, because when you're doing something that's not for yourself, and you're doing something for the planet, you're doing something maybe to teach these little ones right next to you that taking care of, you know, Mother Earth is very important. So it's easy.
Sure. I just want to thank Asif. First off, thank you for having us and for all the great work that he does in his organization. It's really amazing. And I just think that it's our responsibility and all of our responsibility to pass along something to the next generation and it's not we are not allowed to destroy it. It's not ours to destroy. So it's important that we preserve and we do the best that we can and take care of where we live, because our children deserve that, I think.
Introduce Arshad Bhai. Arshad Bhai is no introduction.
Hi, Coach. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Let me not intervene in between both. Pass the mic.
We have a Green Crusader, Arshad Warsi. Thank you so much for coming. Big round of applause for Arshad Warsi.
Any questions for Arshad Warsi? Also most welcome. Because, yeah.
Green questions.
Any green questions?
Green questions, yeah.
Your thoughts on this day and the initiative?
Hello.
Yeah, this is not working.
Thoughts on my day? I mean, I think it's a wonderful thing. Asif Bhai has been doing this for a very long time. I don't know. I mean, I know him for like many years. Before I got into movies, and so we've been friends for a long time. And he's always been like that. He's been wanting to do this for Bandra, and now he wants to do it for everywhere, all over India. So he's been pushing this. It's damn good. I think the number of cars we have today and the amount of pollution we have around, I think every car you should need to plant 2 trees at least to balance it out. So I think what he's doing is a great deal. I think we all should be part of it, and we should all push him and help him out in this endeavor all the time and always. I sound like a politician.
That would mean we'd have to plant like 2 billion trees before June 5th.
Any more? One second.
Any more questions for Sunny ji and Arshad ji?
How would you like to take this initiative forward from your efforts?
Well, from my efforts, my household recycles, so I already make that effort. I believe in throwing trash in the trash bin and not on the ground. I wish there was like a fine in India if you threw something out of your window that you'd get a fine. But my household, you know, does recycle. We have, you know, our bin for foliage, we have our bin for garbage, we have a bin for plastics and you know, paper, so we do that already.
Mumbai Gandhi के लिए कोई संदेश?
Kachra, just dry segregation of waste. Very important.
I think ये जो सनी ने कहा वो बहुत अहमियत रखता है। अगर हम लोग जो वेस्ट मैटर है, जो घर से जो सारा गंद जो निकलता है वो अलग कंटेनर्स में डाल दें तो बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी। इतना मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि आई थिंक मोदी जी की मेहरबानी से काफ़ी सफाई हो गई है, बहुत ही विजिबल है। बॉम्बे इस वक्त काफ़ी साफ है, so which is a very good thing. But I think यही है कि अगर अपने जो जितने गंद है ना फैलाएं, अगर देश को अपने घर के जैसा रखें तो आई थिंक काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा। हम लोग हमारे घर में तो वो सब नहीं करते जो हम लोग देश में करते हैं। घर में तो हम लोग कोई चीज़ उठा के आसपास में नहीं फेंक देते हैं, तो गाड़ी के बाहर क्यों फेंकते हैं? आई थिंक कहीं पे अगर देश को घर जैसा समझेंगे तो ये मेंटली हम लोग ठीक हो जाएंगे। Thank you. There's somebody clapping. Clap!
Clap, yes.
Thank you. Just generally, I just came for this.
It's a very private audience actually, not typical, that's why.
Yes, please. Hello.
So how would you like to celebrate the day? Because it's what
I think Asif Bhai is celebrating for all of us. Really, the number of trees he's planting, I don't think we can do it. I can possibly compete with that. But I must tell you that my house is like a jungle. So yeah, I've got too many trees and too many plants. Maria is, I mean, I think she thinks somewhere down the line I'm Tarzan. So we've got lots of trees in the house.
Okay, we're going to proceed for the tea plantation.
Just 2 minutes ago, वो गाड़ी थी,
We've got the Assistant
Give me
Municipal
just-
Commissioner coming.
See, the idea of getting together, obviously by now the media is aware that 5th June is the World Environment Day. It's a precursor of the 5th June, and from today we start on taking a pledge of planting at least 1,000 trees in the suburbs. We've tied up with all the municipal wards, and we are thankful to the Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika who has given us the total support to ensure that the execution of this program actually happens. I'm thankful. I have with me Sunny, and I've got Arshad Bhai, I've got Arjun Rampal who's going to be joining us. We've got Manish Malhotra who's also on the way. So the films stars that are there, as I always mention, are role models. All the fans of Arshad Varsi, they get inclined, okay, Arshad Bhai is doing something like this, so even we should. Like if Arshad Varsi does wear a bandana, then I mean, they want to. It's basically a style statement. So we want this good activity to convert into a reality. Now, by environment, we just don't mean by planting tree. Now, we are doing a major work in the field of garbage, the waste management, that is the wet and the dry waste garbage, the composting of garbage. With the Dharavi tragedy, we have no dumping ground for our waste, and there is no particular management. So we want to reduce the waste from the root itself. We have wet waste and we have dry waste. We got to compost both this waste and ensure that there is an outcome in a positive form. Like we're planning, we've done one in BKC where we have a machine installed, a composting machine, which does utilize both the wet and the dry waste, and the outcome is that it's generating electricity to at least a few lanes, and it saves at least 8 lakh rupees of electricity bill. And we are obtaining that we are obtaining that electricity from your garbage, from your waste. So you're having a dual whammy. You're utilizing it in two perspectives. Your waste is also being managed to pick up your garbage, your waste, your car, the major dumping cars that come to your house, the pollution emissions that happen. So to reduce the carbon footprint, this is an initiative from my foundation, and I'm thankful that the entire film fraternity, the entire political fraternity, we have our local member of parliaments, and people across party lines have all very religiously volunteered towards this cause and endeavor. And I think film industry has always been very, very much supportive for this. And from here, this marks the beginning of the 5th of June. We are also promoting the solar panelings, because with the solar panelings there is lesser electricity bill and less carbon emission also that happens. So these are the few things we are promoting, and talking about rainwater harvesting. So these are the few measures that I think are very, very important for every human being. These are all doable things. I mean, it's just that sometimes people are lethargic. आज हम यही बाहर गांव जाते हैं तो we ensure that we don't throw the same garbage outside the cars. But when we are in our own country, we are very careless about it. So I think it's time. There's a need for an awakening. We have Arjun Rampal ji. A huge round of applause for Arjun ji. Welcome, sir. I think people have been hearing us. The media wants to Also here, Arjun on his views on environment. He's done a fantastic video for the Bamla Foundation. And now, in a huge round of applause, I give the mic to Arjun Rampal.
Before that, I'd like to welcome the MCGM members. Mr. Mundeji, please come on dais from the HVS ward. And Sonali madam, please. Aye. Sure. Mundeji, please come here. So the MCGM HVS ward, Mr. Munde has been very kind, has been supporting the foundation and been helping us. Sonali madam, thank you very much. And the news is that the Jurgens Park right now is being maintained and taken care by these two green crusaders. Thank you very much, Mundeji. Okay, now we go to Mr. Arjun Rampal. Questions?
Give him the mic.
Let Arjun first talk.
Sorry.
Give him the mic.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you, Asif. Okay, hi, Sunny. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Got more sun into this place.
There's Arshad bhai on my right.
Okay, so it's really nice to be here, and I'm really grateful for the Bamla Foundation to put together such an event where they're planting, I think, what, 5,000 trees today?
No, 1,000 trees from today till the 5th of...
1,000 trees.
Yeah.
That's great. You know, we really need it. I think it's really the hour of what this environment really needs, what this planet really needs. You know, it's an hour of need. And I think we all need to make our difference. And the carbon footprint is increasing. You can see the weather's changing so erratically. And I was recently at climbing the Siachen Glacier. And every year, that glacier is going down by a kilometer. It's melting by a kilometer. It's just a 72-kilometer glacier. It's going to, in maybe another 30 years or 40 years, we won't have that glacier out there. And this is all because of global warming. It's a true thing. No matter what, whichever president of whichever country believes, okay, it is true. Global warming is there. It's a reality, and we've got to make a difference.
Any question?
This is okay.
Manisha.
We have... Yeah.
We have a very famous, renowned celebrity designer, Mr. Manish Bharadwaj. Give a big round of applause for Mr. Manish Bharadwaj. Thank you, Manish ji, for supporting this endeavor, this cause. Bamla Foundation very grateful and their thoughts on this tree plantation day.